Looks like we're ready for coat number 2 on that mantle set. Welcome back. Welcome back to LogFurnitureHowTo.com. Let's get this
day started.
So we're finishing these with the polyacrylic. This is coat number 2. We'll get another one on later today or tomorrow morning. It's just a brush on, simple brush on. Light sanding between. Finish up that rocker, that whole center rocker. Paint, another round of paint, and then we'll stain the log.
Alright, one rocking saddle, painted, ready to go.
Let that dry. We're going to get in here and start on another project. Get over here and weld it. Alright, so a couple weeks ago at Territory Days, we made a few sails that we need to get started on right now. Starting with a rocker, another rocking chair. So I don't believe in making just one thing at a time. And since we've got another show coming up in a couple of weeks, we're going to make 2 rocking chairs. And while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and weld up another armchair for another order we got. We make certain things over and over. Once you do that, you have the ability to keep some stockpile. So looky here, I got a set of rocking legs already started. You can see it's pretty much our basic legs, and we've already taken time to do it. So all we got to do is weld those to these. But let's get first things first, though. We got to cap the ends of these. Boom. Let the games begin. Alright, but I said I was going to weld 2 rocking chairs, right? Check this out. We've already got a set of rockers ready to go. We just got to get them over here. Get them cut. Alright. Easy as that. Let's keep going, guys. We're going to get over there and put the last coat on these mantles before we call it a day. So we're going to pick up, finish the day, right third, final coat. In case we have to do another one in the morning, I always like to give myself time. So just focusing on getting a nice, smooth, final coat. Much just on the top surface, but we'll be sure to catch this front surface to the live edge. That's really all there is to it. So as always, I appreciate you taking time to watch today. Be sure to leave me any questions you got. Tell all your friends and neighbors about what tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night. Later.